You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Snap, crackle, and pop with the Kellogg's Rice Krispies Treats Pumpkin Kit, which I found at Target. Now, I was scanning old videos, and I noticed in 2016, Butch and I did the Ghost Kit that was similar to this, but this is the Pumpkin Kit. Great family activity. Includes pumpkin mold. Makes 6. So we're not going to make a bunch. 6 is enough to try. And then it says show it off, so you can actually display and enter the contest there. Now, I did notice, well, there's all the nutritional facts and information. There was a mistake on the instructions. At least I can't figure it out. Let's see. 1. Adults, wash mold with soap and warm water and dry thoroughly. Okay, look where it says heat. In a large saucepan over low heat, melt butter and add mini marshmallows. Heat, stirring constantly until marshmallows are completely melted. Add Rice Krispies and stir well to coat. Remove from heat and transfer to a large bowl. Mixture will be warm. Allow to stand for 1 minute to make shaping easier. They forgot to mention the orange color powder. That would have to go in at that point before you do the green and black icing pens, correct? Well, are you seeing the same thing I'm seeing? I think so. Either way, I think I will put that in as I'm melting the butter. This Halloween, spend time with the family and make special memories in the kitchen. Create spooky Rice Krispie Treats pumpkins that everyone will love to eat. Best of all, the memories will last long after the treats are gone. All right, well, very cool. I will come back now. Well, actually, let's do this. Let's get it out of the box. This way I don't have to come back and we can all see what's in there. And then when I come back, I'll have my hot plate out here, a bowl out here, and we'll be much closer to getting the process going. Okay, so there are the shapes. I will wash those. Hard to see. Let me see if I can drop the lighting down just a little. Here, I'll put it on top of this. Maybe you can see that better. So it looks like pumpkin. Okay. There's the marshmallows. There's your 2 colorings for your decorating. There's your Rice Krispies. And here is the orange color packet. Would you agree that should be melted with the marshmallows? I think so. All right, well, let me grab the rest of my supplies. I will come back and get started. All right, since I've done these in the past, you know that once you start, it's something you just don't want to stop. You want to keep working right through it. This has been washed. I have some spray, they said, for your hands. Also, maybe, well, you really won't need it once you get the butter in there and everything. Now, well, after washing, it said the first thing is to put your Rice Krispies in a large bowl so they are ready to go. You don't have to try to do it while you're cooking. Let's get this turned up. Okay. And then I thought, well, it might be a good idea to get my coloring. It is orange, like my orange bowl. That just worked out that way. It's a really strong color orange. Look at that. Okay, so that part is done. So in a large saucepan over low heat, I'm still in the low range, so I'll keep it there. I'll move this out of the way. So what I thought is, put the butter in, put the marshmallows in, and then add the orange after it's mixed. Because you have to move quick. All right, melt butter and mini marshmallows, stirring constantly. I've done this before. Let's see. Ooh, it's not even hot. Okay. I'll tell you what. Once it gets hot enough, I think there's a good point where I can take a step back, let it start to melt. Maybe I'll just videotape that melting for you. How's that sound? And I will be back when I think it's ready. All right, here we go. I didn't want to leave the butter in there too long for it to actually burn. We don't want burnt butter, so stirring constantly. Bringing the camera back a skosh. Seems like a good heat. This is actually a fun process. Seeing it turn. Now, It does get really sticky. So your stuff, your tools, your pot, I usually just put it under hot water and it eventually cleans off. It is starting to melt a little on the bottom as far as the brown color. See that? So that's why you got to keep moving. It's actually almost there, where it's a lumpy, nice blob. Almost all of the marshmallows are gone now. Let's put this in. I'm surprised they skipped that step. Cool. I think we're good. In goes the Rice Krispie Treats. Here we go. Nice. Ooh, sorry for that. Just keep going. Don't stop. Okay, so let's take it off the heat. And I will keep mixing now. Here, let me put it on a little hot pad here. Okay, so it said stir well to coat, remove from heat, and transfer to a large bowl. I would think we got a pretty good coat here. This will probably help with the heat so that it's not as hot because the pot is hot. Okay. And from here, what does it say? It says, allow to stand for 1 minute to make shaping easier. So let me clear the hot pad out of here. I'll come right back and start making shapes. Okay. A little bit of spray. Now let's see. Cool kids' hands with cooking spray, butter, or margarine. Scoop a small amount of Rice Krispies mixture from bowl. Press in the pumpkin mold. Doesn't say anything about spraying the pumpkin mold. So I will spray my hands. Take a little. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna spray it, I think, next time. That one didn't come out. Let's do that one again here. It didn't say to do it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It still might be a little too warm, too. Put a little more in there. There we go. Now pop out. There's one. Spray your hands again. There is two. What did it say? It made 6 or something like that? Let us see. Here, let me hit this up one more time. I must want to make just a round one, you know, like a regular old round pumpkin. Okay. Get stuck on that stem. Let's just add a little. Make my own. Alright. It's still pliable, so we're still good timing here. Now after this, it says repeat. Press into pumpkin mold, repeat to fill other cavity, flip treats on onto countertop, and repeat with remaining Rice Krispies mixture. That looks like a heart. I guess I'm not getting enough in this little pumpkin stem, but I wish the pumpkin stem was just a little bit larger. It's so small in relationship to the actual pumpkin. Usually they're sticking way out. Okay, let me see. What did it say? Makes 6. So I got 2, 4. Here's 5. And here is 6. It's a very hands-on project, so it's good for the kids to get in there and get their hands dirty. And it is not really turning my fingers orange, just a little bit. Okay, I think those are my best ones. That's got the tiny, look at the little mini stem. What do you think? Do you agree with me on the stem? Mine, what's coming out? Totally different. Okay, last one. It is stickier there. Okay. There they are. So let me let these set just a skosh. I'll do a little cleanup and then I'll come back and decorate them. Okay, so icing, they give you black and then they give you green. So let's see, let me just move one over here. Now they've been sitting for a while, so they're totally cooled down. They wanted you to just cut the tip after you take the cap off for sure. Let's take the cap off first and then cut the tip. Now they showed you some funny samples on the cover of the box. I'll just do one, maybe two, and then I'll do some camera speeding up there just so we can get an idea. I'm going to do like a standard jack-o'-lantern eye. Okay, and then the wiggly teeth. That's how normally I do mine. Like that. Okay, he looks happy. Doesn't he look happy? And then a green stem. Now, remember now, I've done a few kits this year, so I saved most of the extras. So you can decorate them however you want. You can use the extras, which I might do right now. I'm going to do green here, like this, and green here. And then remember the eyes that I used in a different kit? They don't come with this kit, but I thought it'd be fun to give them some big eyes. Remember those? Like that. And then we'll give them a happy, smiley mouth. Happy, smiley, wee. Okay, we'll give them one tooth. How's that? That looks pretty good. And again, I will do my stem. It came out pretty good. Okay, so now let me try one of these taller ones here. Let's see. Well, yeah, let's give him just a single, like, crazy eye. Looking down. And I'll put one of the little candy eyes there. Remember, these are extra. I just happen to have them because I've been doing videos every day, so I've been keeping stuff. And I'll give him one of these lines like they show on the box. A nice mouth there. How's that? No green. And I'll mix them up a little bit. Let me do another one of these. And let's just see. I'm going to give him just regular old round eyes. Boring round eyes. Oh, there's a one sticking out right there like it's his nose. Let's give him some green in the center. How's that? That almost looks like glasses. Hey, maybe I'll just give him some glasses. Doop. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And the mouth, how about just a standard old frown? He's not happy. How's that? We'll give him a couple green. Well, it's about some green teeth. As you know, I lack in the design area. I'm not much of a creative designer for this kind of stuff. Okay. Here, we'll give this guy, I got those little eyes, so I'll just put little polka dots everywhere. Then I'll stick them on. Remember those little eyes? I'll use those. Okay. Oh yeah, you remember them because I just used one. So if you get a bunch of kits like this, like I did, you can mix and match all the component pieces. I'm not sure if I have any more. What I'm going to do, we'll see. Have you been enjoying them so far? You have to let me know in the comments. I don't know if you like this kind of stuff all the time. I know you like the makers, and I had to put them all on hold for lots of reasons. But they are all sitting there waiting for me. Okay, so let's just give this guy some green eyes. Alright, these are all decorated. I'm going to clean this stuff out of the way, come back, and I will give this a taste, and I'm almost out. I want to get back in here, the little black. Almost out of stuff. I squished all the stuff. And you tell me which one. Well, I'll tell you what, let me just wrap it up with you here. Tell me which one you like. I'm going to try one right now. Now, let me see. I think I'm going to eat this one. The closest one. Well, let me just zoom in a little bit. It's always nice to get a nice zoom in. Actually, let's do that. You can see him now. Real close. Show me or tell me your favorite. And I will eat this one and give it a bite and then put it right back where it was. There's no obnoxious orange flavoring issue. You could barely even taste the orange, if at all, so it's more just the Rice Krispie you're tasting. Now, how's that look? So let me know in the comments if you enjoy these. Thanks for watching and stopping by today. I really appreciate it. If you get a chance and you shop on Amazon, it'd be a huge favor, would you? Go to luckypennyshop.com first. Search for something there that you like. Click on the Amazon button and then shop away. It'll help. Every little bit helps. And thanks for your support through all these wonderful years. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.